Hi guys, this is Inspo Kreel. I'm back again in the vocabulary video, and this is the ninth of the session. And I want to welcome you to my channel, Learning with Jansu. Without delaying, I'm gonna start this session with first word of the day. First word of the day is legislature. Legislature. So legislature means a deliberate assembly consisting of people who have the authority to make laws for political entities such as country or city. Legislature means a deliberate assembly of people who are elected by public for a leading country. You can look at the picture. There is a gathering of people who are gathered together to make a law, enact a bill, or discuss something about national agenda. So sentence one asks, legislature recently passed a law requiring people to pay 1% of their income as social service tax from this fiscal year. Our legislature, the assembly of people who are elected by public to make law and to lead the nation, has passed a law requiring people to pay 1% of their income as social service tax from this fiscal year. The sentence, the members of legislature enacted a bill to punish lazy creatures by stating that adults having sedentary lifestyle won't get enough food and shelter. Legislature enacted a bill to punish lazy creatures. Legislature enacted a bill to punish lazy creatures. The sentence carries trick. You can remember the meaning of the word by the sentence, remembering the sentence. The next word, mockery. You can see, look at the picture. The three kids are teaching a poor boy who's very nervous and who is crying in front of them. Still, other three kids are making fun of him and laughing at him. Mockery means teasing and contemptuous language. Teasing and contemptuous language, a behavior, a ridicule or derision directed in a particular person or thing. So three kids are making mockery of a little boy in front of them. Sentence 1. Ishan was very happy to hear his stepfather's fake praise. The innocent one couldn't understand that flattery was nothing than a mockery, nothing than a teasing, a contemptuous language. Sentence 2. They make mockery of their mom's curry as she cooked it without adding salt into it, and it was also spoiled, which made it taste bitter like a bitter gourd. So they make mockery of their mom's curry. Mockery of their mom's curry. They made mockery of their mom's curry because there was no salt added, and the curry was spoiled. Another word today is federal. Federal means relating to a form of government in which power is divided between one central and several regional governments. And federal also means that is connected with the central government of some countries. You can look at the picture. There are 7 provinces of Nepal. This is called federal government, which is divided into 7 parts, 7 provinces. When new federal law was brought into action, it came across to overtake all other laws. That is why the state law has become inoperative. Federal law passed by central government, law passed by federal government, overtaken all the laws which were formulated, which were endorsed by local governments. Another sentence is, people strike to bring federal government which faded the rule of king out and eradicated the monarchy from nation. The abolition of monarchy gave birth to democracy. People strike to bring federal government which faded. Federal government faded, rule of king out. Federal government faded, rule of king out. This sentence will make you easier to understand the meaning of word and remember this word for a long period of time. Other word is Aviation. Aviation means the operation of aircraft to provide transportation, the activity of designing, producing, or flying an aircraft. Sentence 1. Pilot who operates enormous aircraft are generally regarded as scholar of aviation. At the Aviation Training Center, pilots are trained to fly various aircraft. You can look at the picture of there's an airplane flying over the sky, and this is called aviation. Activity of flying an aircraft. Pilots usually do aviation, means they fly airplane. The sentence, Avi Mission has a mission. Avi Mission has mission of being master of aviation, so he is engrossed in his study to achieve his goal. However, being a single son and absence of our permission are hindering his hard work. Avi Mission has a mission of being master of aviation. Avi Mission has a mission of aim of being master of aviation. So this sentence also makes you easy to remember the word for long term. Another word of today is halt. Halt means to bring or come to an abrupt stop, to end, to discontinue, to terminate. You can see a hoarding board. This is not hoarding, but what is this called? Sorry, it's a board. It says that temporarily closed. That means this virus outbreak, the coronavirus outbreak, had halted all business operations. Sentence 1. Rasmi and Suprema decided to halt their journey to reach the summit of mountain since they abruptly suffered from mountainous sickness and hardly limbed to move. They decided to stop in the middle of way. Other sentence, the parents put a lot of efforts to halt their son from going to cinema hall and shopping center to have fun with his friends during this virus outbreak, but they were unable to do so. Parents tried to halt their son from going to cinema hall. Parents tried to halt their son from going to cinema hall. This sentence also carries a trick to remember this word for a long period of time. Another word you can see is endorse. Endorse means to approve, to support, to sustain, to express approval or support publicly. Sentence 1. The Karnali Province Assembly has already endorsed the Provincial Service Commission Act. Now it is awaiting for an approval from federal government for its implementation. Province has already approved a law, but it is waiting for approval from federal government, that is central government. Sentence 2. Swechha only endorses her children for indoor education, sports and indoor fun activities since it is not safe outside to be in mass of people. She endorses her children for indoor education. She endorses her children for indoor education. This sentence also carries trick. There are two girls, they are sporting something. Two beautiful, cute girls who are endorsing something. So endorse means to support, approve, sustain, to express approval or support publicly. Other word is alleviation. Alleviation means the process of making pain, problem, suffering less severe. You can see a beautiful lady in picture who is putting cold pressed hanky on her forehead to get alleviation from headache, and she's also about to have medicine to alleviate her pain. Sentence 1 is Samira wanted an alleviation of pain and discomfort, so she started having medicine in a disciplined way. So the lady in this picture may be Samira. She is having medicine in a disciplined way to get an alleviation of pain and discomfort. Sentence 2. Ali's wife was worried for her husband's addiction to gambling, but she got an alleviation when she knew that gambling was Ali versus his son. When she got to know that the gambling was among her own family members, the gambling was within their family members, she got an alleviation. When she knew the gambling was Ali versus his son, alleviation. The sentence carry a trick to remember this word. Moving to the next word. Next word is pave. Pave means cover, piece of ground with flat stones or bricks. You can see the picture, very beautiful picture of a garden and a street walkway, which is paved by wonderful and beautiful marvels. Sentence 1. The formulation of new Human Rights Act has paved the way for empowering women to live a very happy, independent and successful life. Formulation of new Human Rights Act has made it easier, made it beautiful to live for, made it beautiful for easy, made it easy, made it beautiful, made it nice, made it more comfortable for women to live a very happy, independent and successful life. Sentence 2. The government has to pay a huge amount to pave the streets, roads and highway of hillside. Government has to pay huge amount to pave. Government has to pay huge amount to pave the streets. Moving to the next word. Next word is soar. Soar means fly or rise high in the air. There is parachute. 3 sets of parachutes flying over the sky. It's very, this is also a very beautiful picture. There's a mountain, parachutes flying over the sky. Let's move into the sentence. The price of goods we purchase today have soared dramatically when we compare those with price we used to pay in our childhood. Price of goods we purchase today have increased dramatically when we compare those prices with the prices we used to pay in our childhood. Okay, sentence 2. The price of ticket of show is about to show since some of the big stars are going to be part of it. Price of ticket of the show is about to soar. Ticket of show is about to soar. Ticket of show is about to increase and some of big stars are going to be part of it. Next word is hinder. Hinder means to hamper, to make difficult. You can look at the picture. There is a person who is heading towards a trophy and there is a big hand on his way which is hampering him to reach his trophy or success. Sentence 1. If you don't refrain yourself from having plenty of oily food after you exercise, it is sure to hinder your progress. It is sure to hamper. It is sure to make difficult for your progress. Sentence 2. Someone hinders his own capability by trying to get hints from his friends in exam. He hinders his own capability by trying to get hints. He's making difficult. He is bringing difficulties for himself. Hinders his own capability by trying to get hints from his friends. So these were the words for today. I hope you easily understood the meaning of word and the tricks I provided and picture I provided to you will make easier to remember the words for a very long period of time. So thank you for watching.